Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about the standard I've chosen, which is taken from SHAE, American National Standard and Grade Level Outcomes for Kindergarten 12th Grade Physical Education. The standard is taken from a national framework, which is used by states and local schools across the country to develop and revise existing standards, frameworks, and curricula. The standards are five. The first states that the physically literate individual demonstrates competency in a variety of motor skills and movement patterns. The second states that the physically literate individual applies knowledge of concepts, principles, strategies, and tactics related to movement and performance. The third one states that the physically literate individual demonstrates the knowledge and skills to achieve and maintain a health-enhancing level of physical activity and fitness. The fourth states that the physically literate individual exhibits responsible personal and social behavior that respects self and others. The fifth and last one states that the physically literate individual recognizes the value of physical activity for health, enjoyment, challenge, self-expression, and social interaction. I picked standard number 4, which states that the physically literate individual is responsible and thought I could teach the standard number 4 grade. Workers are nouns behind the standard. First, exhibit and respect. Nouns, personal and social behavior. When breaking the standard down, I highlighted the following. Learning personal and social behavior in the student in a social context. Self and mutual respect, discipline and consistency. Why I picked standard? I think that rules for students should learn how to interacting with others according to given standards. This is why I think that standards are very important. We have to pick ideas within the standard. I think mainly the big ideas are personal students should be capable to learn through physical education to be a responsible person within the society. Sports should teach individual basic rules of living together. The second one, students should be capable to learn how to respect themselves, developing proper behavior, and avoiding practices which would harm them. The third and the last one, students should acquire skills and capacities to cope with everyday life and practice self-discipline and dedication to sport, as well as when playing by the rules. What are the skills and capacities that students should acquire? Students should know something about sport ethics and should be able to critically analyze issues in the light of their life. Moreover, students should be able to explain and demonstrate strategies to enhance interpersonal skills, analyze and evaluate sport ethics and its translation into society, develop goals and apply strategies to enhance teamwork. Since the verbs in the standards are to, exhibit, and respect, I believe that students should understand and demonstrate adequate social behaviors and social skills acquired through sport practice to be translated into the real life. This is about exhibit. The students should also understand and practice self-respect as well as respect towards others in his everyday life. And this is about respect. Some of the activities which can be proposed within the unit I'm going to teach, if provided online, the following activities can be provided: research on sport ethics, video lesson on rules connected to a specific discipline or sport, online quiz on sport and diet, group work on social projects. If provided in person, the activities which should be carried out are the following: research on sport ethics, practical activities on teamwork, social project engaging with the local primary school, group work on sport routines and workouts. Assessments are going to be provided during the unit in a different way. We will have entry tests in order to verify the levels of students and tailor a personalized learning path. We'll have formative assessments in order to check the level of understanding of the topics. We will use students' presentation Whenever students will submit the work, we will assess their levels and some action can be planned. At the end of each unit, we'll have a summative assessment to verify the levels achieved by the student. Thank you very much.